Okay, Mr. Sapak. Okay. So write the fraction representing the shaded portion. So what will be the answer of this?
So 4 by 6.
4 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 6. Correct. And I can reduce to 2 by 3. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are able to reduce the number, just reduce the number and give the final answer as 2 by 3. So what will be the answer for this B part?
4 by 5.
4 by 5. Perfect. Perfect. And you have to remember that it is the shaded portion. So the shaded portion would be in the numerator. Numerator. The denominator will have the total denominator. Okay, what will be the answer for this?
3 by 8.
3 by 8. Perfect. This one?
2 by 5.
This one?
4 by 9.
4 by 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 by 9. Perfect. This one?
So this is also 4 by 9.
This is also 4 by 9. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Perfect. 4 by 9. So one second. You'll be able to color the parts? Is this any issue? Would you be able to do?
What, sir?
Would you be able to do question number 2?
Yes, sir.
For example, color the parts of the representing the given fraction. So if it is 5 by 6, I'll have to color these 5 blocks and only one block will remain. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
For 1 by 6, I'll color only 1. For 3 by 4, I will color 3 and 1 would be remaining. For half, I'll be coloring this only. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Can you do question number 3? Identify the error. The shaded portion is 3 by 4. What is the error? Can you see the error?
No, sir.
Okay. See, what you need to remember is, in all
So, but the size is not equal.
perfect. The size is not equal. See, in the previous question that we had done, in all these previous questions we had done, so for example, if we take the simplest case, size of this, every size is the same. Size of every block is same. In this case also, size of every block is same. In this also, the size is the same. And that is why we can write that this represents, so for example, I can write that this represents 2 by 5. Why? Because size is the same. But in this case, question number 3, the size is not the same. Satak, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
So, for example, if I take an example like this. So, for example, I have a rectangle like this, and I say, just have a look at this. Can I represent this part as 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Can I represent this part as 1 by 7?
No, sir.
No, sir. I can't. Because size is not the same. So, for example, now if I want to modify this, and what I do is, can I say that this is 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 by 9? Can I say this?
Yes, sir.
I can, because all the sizes are the same. I can say that the shaded portion, the total shaded portion is 3 by 9 or 1 by 3, because the size of each block is same. Have you understood? Mr. Sarthak, have you understood? Hello? Sarthak, have you understood? Okay. So what is wrong in question number 3B?
So it's not equal again.
Yeah, the four portions are not equal. They are not equal to each other. This is equal to this is equal to this, but all of these should be equal to each other. So for example, if I modify this as, let us assume, I modify this as something like this. So then I can write this as 1 by 4. Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you do question number 4? So this will be 9 by 24, and this can be reduced to 3 by 8. So you should always write the final answer always. This will be 3 by 8. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Can you do question number 5?
31.
What fraction of months in a year have 31 days? So
So 7 by 12.
June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We'll start with January. So all the months having 31 days. So January, March, May, June, July, September, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July. I made a mistake. One second. One second. It will be Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So all these circled months have 31 days. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer would be 7 by 12. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you do question number 6?
Well,
Okay. So what fraction of an hour is 35 minutes? So this will be 35 upon 60. So this will be 7 upon 12. This is correct. Can you do question number 7? Okay. So received 12 gifts on his birthday, out of which 5 were toys. What fraction were toys? So it will be 5 by 12. Correct. Can you do question number 8? So Mr. Sarthak, the number of primes that we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Am I correct?
yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So there are 8 prime numbers that I have between 12 and 42. And how many total numbers do I have? Hello?
So 39.
Numbers between
So 30.
30. So for example, if I want to know the numbers between 2 and 5, it is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So no, okay. If I have to find the numbers, let me write like this. Numbers from 2 to 5. So the numbers will be 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So the numbers that I have from 2 to 5 are 4 or are they 3?
4.
So how do I find this? I subtract 5 minus 2 and I add a number. Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
So when I say write the natural numbers from 12 to 42, so how many numbers do I have?
30.
Sorry,
31.
31. Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sardak, is there any confusion?
No, sir.
So for example, if I have to find numbers from 10 to 12, 10, 11, 12, three numbers. How do I get this? 12 minus 10 plus 1. Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. So write the natural numbers from 122 to 152. What fraction of them are composite? Would you be able to do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first you find the prime numbers. You can find the prime numbers first. They'll be easier to find. Rest are composite. Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, what will be total numbers from 122 to 152?
131.
31. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Can you do this? No, what is the full question? What fraction of erasers is it are left? I can't see the full question. Can you see it
So
in?
it's what fraction of erasers does she give?
Does she give? Okay. Does she give?
So 7 by 15.
7 by 15. Correct. Because 7 she has given to Neha. 15 she had. So this is a fraction she gave. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.